For today video, I discussing to you the positive integer exponent en, where a is equal to it's not equal to 0, and n is a positive integer. I know that some of you didn't know what is integers all about. Integer is all about from negative values, or sa example is negative 2, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, and 3, and so on and so forth. And this one, so on and so forth also. So as we see that there are integer where is negative, and there is also integer where is positive. That's why in this manner, as we discuss, it's all about positive integer exponent. So our n for this, this n must be positive. Okay, must be positive. So let's start. Example, this one, we go for this 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. This expression can be written as 2 raised to the power of 4. So as we see that 2 is in our exponent, this is our base, and 4 is our exponent. Okay, the 2 is our base and 4 is our exponent. Similarly, that we have this one, x times x times x. It means to say we can read it also as x cube. The variable x is the base, and the 3 is our base, and 3 is our exponent. And the exponent is still it tells us how many times that the base is used as a factor. Here's some illustration like this: negative 5 raised to the power of 3. What is our answer? Of course, we multiply this 3 by 3 times. So we have negative 5, negative 5, negative 5. So that is our answer. So if we multiply this one, negative 5 times negative 5 equals positive 25 and positive 25, and then 25 times negative 5, that is negative 125. So we have also fraction. How about fraction? So we have 1/2 raised to the power of 2. So how many 1/2 we have? So we have this, we have 2. So 1/2 times 1/2. Okay, what is our answer? Our answer, 1 times 1. As we go back to our elementary, we review 1 times 1. We multiply. If multiplication of fraction, we must multiply 1 times 1. Then the numerator times the numerator, and denominator times denominator. So we have 1 times 1 equals 1, and 2 times 2 equals 4. Next, so as the exponent, we have also exponent which is 1. Example, 2y. Their exponent of 2 is 1, and y is also 1. So from this one, 1, 1, 1. So it's also called as 2. Exponent is 1. only we can say that we can omit this this one, so that we can directly answer to y. Example for this one, how about this is 2, what it mean, 2 cube. It depends on your teacher, or it depends on your professor how they use this. It can be 4 to the second power, or 4 squared, or another one 2 to the third power, or 2 cube. Another one, x x to the fourth power, or x to the fourth. Okay, we can read this number through this one, 4 to the second power, or 4 squared, or another one 2 to the third power, and we have x to the fourth power, or x to the fourth. So in general expression, we en where a is not equal to 0 and n is the degree of the expression. The expression or exponent that must have a non-negative or positive integer. So our n must always positive integer. A n equals a times a times a times a, and so on and so forth. We have a. So it means to say this is a number infinite, so there are factors of n, n factors of a. A is called as a raised to the power n, where n is our, say again, is an exponent, and a is our base. So of course our topic is all about positive integer, so always our exponent, positive integer exponent, so we use a positive. Sometimes again we have a negative integer, so in our next video we can say that we can use also a negative integer, but today we discussed already about positive integer.